Let's be honest, when we say math, what comes to your mind? For many of us, it's the fear of formulas and memorized steps. But here at Punnya, math looks very different. Today, I'm joined by Afina, who is one of our early years educator, to guide us on how children live math in our classes. So tell me, Afina ma'am, when a child walks into your classroom, how does math look like for them?
Thank you, ma'am. Maths in our class doesn't start with numbers on the paper. It begins with building blocks, setting up tables, or playing shopkeepers, even managing a cafe. Children are arranging snacks, counting crayons by colors, and they even trying to find out how many more blocks they need to create a wall. Everything in Punya makes sense. We turn every moment in Punya in meaningful maths. It's not about right answers, it's about making sense.
That's beautiful. I have seen children light up, not because they have seen it, but because they have experienced it. Can you share a real moment when it happened in class?
Yes, just the other day we were working on base 10 blocks to explore addition. So once children were adding ones and they move up to 10. So they quickly replaced the ones with one blue stick. And then came the aha moment. This one blue 10 sticks doesn't belong to ones anymore. So they have learned the concept of carry, not because I have taught them, because they have experienced it.
And that moment stays because it's rooted in real life, not just blackboard. So how do you actually ensure that children learn on these concepts as they grow?
First we experience it, then we practice it, and if required we practice it more. So that way this concept stays with them forever.
And what I love the most is there is no rush here. We let the children build their own relationship with math and at their own pace. And that's how we raise not just confident learners, but also amazing problem solvers. This is the Punnya Way.